Hey y'all, guess who's stranded at Walgreens because the car won't crank? Ain't that crazy? And we done had somebody try to jump it off. And look, I got a handy dandy hammer in my hand because we're about to try to beat the starter because it wasn't the battery. Somebody did try to jump it off and it's still not turning over. It was just clicking. So I watched the YouTube video and somebody said in order for you to know if it's the starter, you have to beat it. So I'm going to have my sister beat it while I try to crank it up. And let's see how it goes. Y'all, the starter is down there, so she'll have to stick this right here and tap on it like this, so we can't even beat it how we need to beat it. So fingers crossed it crank up. Great job. You're doing great, sweetie. All right, y'all, let's see if it's gonna crank up. It's just been clicking, so let's see. Oh, we got a little crank. Did y'all hear that? See, it's not even clicking no more. Oh, now it's clicking. We tried.
Right.
You know.
You said, I'm just scared and I don't want to get electrocuted.
Yep. I understand that. So we're just gonna get in the car, so I know what we're doing. We're just gonna wait.